Okay. Monday, December 28th, 2009. 8 o'clock, get up and get ready. 9 a.m., go down to get breakfast. 9:30, catch bus to Turtle Farm. 11 a.m., tour the turtle farm and eat picnic lunch. 3 p.m., take the bus back. 6 p.m., attend luau at the hotel or Marriott. 9 p.m.
Yes, Boo.
Another little one.
You want to go back to the little pool and hold the little turtle?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to hold one of these big ones?
You can't.
No, I know. They're too heavy. Alrighty, go back to your mom and Kevin's and we'll go back there, okay? There goes Katie. We are finally at the turtle farm. We're going to be looking around. Kevin's got a camera behind me, so we're going to pan this way, and I'm going to turn you over to my colleagues here. They're going to give us their impressions of what they have seen, what they have witnessed. If anyone's had an epiphany after seeing a turtle that's as big as a small, what are those things called? Smart cars? So, here's La Famille. Kevin, what's your impression of the turtle farm?
It's pretty good, actually. Like a lot of them. The little ones are pretty nice, though.
You gonna pick any up?
Yeah.
Alright, my man. Katie, sitting on the rocking chair. Look at her rock back and forth. An official grandma rocking chair.
Whoa.
So, little lady, what do you like about the turtle farm?
I like to with a flipper like this.
With their flippers like that, yeah?
And plastic.
Have you seen any iguanas yet? 5 of them? My goodness! But we don't pick those up, right? Because those bite.
No. And then I have spikes on the back.
They have spikes, so you don't want to mess with them. Now we're going to go to the gorgeous, the beautiful, the vivacious, the always lovely and talented, my love Eileen. Hi, Pop.
Hello.
What is your impression of the sea turtle farm?
Oh, it's amazing. I'm so glad we came. I've never seen sea turtles up close like that, and so many of them.
And so they have them in all broad-ranging sizes. You'll see, like I said, some are as big as a smart car. Other ones are teeny tiny. We went to a hatchery and we saw some turtle eggs, but we didn't see any of the little, just hatchlings. All right, well, when you next see us again, Kevin will be holding up a turtle. Katie will be screaming, and Eileen will be pretending like she doesn't know us. Okay? Bye.
9 a.m. timeshare pickup in lobby. 11:30 back at hotel, eat lunch. 1:15 go to dive shop for Stingray City. 5 o'clock eat dinner.
All right. Thank you, sir.